muscles down there look healthy, Shanice. So I'm thinking like, you know, but you know,
necessarily
if you get something with, you know, a whole box or a whole bag, what's the best thing to do to go ahead and do what?
Go ahead on, get you some Ziploc bags and separate, portion, put your little servings in the bag, 1 serving in each bag. That right there, you can only have 5.
That look good.
They look good, but you can only have 5 pretzels. 5 pretzels is 130 calories.
I can't even get that.
10 grams of sugar.
If I get that, I'm gonna want to eat them. That bag don't even look big.
You got to portion stuff out.
This is healthy though. It's fiber.
Yeah.
And only 90 calories.
6 grams of sugar.
And only 6 grams of sugar.
Yeah.
So exactly what? Let me see. Oh, that like that, a seltzer?
Yes.
Oh.
So if you need like either this, or you can get the regular kind, original kind, or plus something.
What does it taste like?
These right here has flavor to them. It's supposed to taste like orange or whatever. But sometimes when I wanna I want something besides water, I will put my lemon head drink packet. I pour this.
And how many calories is it?
This.
I mean the whole thing when you drink whatever you
With my lemon head drink mix, it's only, because it's 16 ounces, so it's only 10 calories.
Only 10 calories?
10 calories. And so this right here, 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, no carbs, no sugars, no protein, nothing. It's just nothing.
Yeah, I need to try that.
It's just flavored seltzer water, and sometimes I mix my lemonade pack with this, and it tastes like a lemonade soda.
I need to try that. Do you use a Madarian orange or something else?
I use whatever. Right now I'm using white grape. It's some kind